Hold on guys, good evening. I told us that I was going to show you how to plant yam in sack. So the yam seedlings you are seeing here, I prepared them already, left them since last month for about 28 days for this to start, coming up. And of course, before now I have filled my back with sand, topsoil mixed with manure. Okay, you can use pig manure, chicken manure, and whatsoever. So I'm just going to show you now. Once you come like this, you open the back, the sand in the back to this size, and you place them. Now the reason why you need to nurse like this and allow this stay on the surface like this and grow is so you can control any kind of deadly disease that might attack the yam. Okay, because if you just cut it, and of course you see that the yam is still very fresh, but if you just cut it like this, put in the bag and wait for it to grow, it might not, and you will not be able to monitor when disease is attacking the yam. So please watch this video, share this video, drop your comments. If you have any question you want to ask me, I will answer. Share this, let someone get to know how to plant yam in sack. So now you see that they're already looking very healthy and they have roots. So once you place them in the sack, they go from there. So come, let me show you. So you open it like this. You open it like this. Don't open it too deep, just a little that will take this. Let's see. Let's see. Then you cover it with sand. Cover it with sand. And of course, the rain has started coming. So once the rain starts falling, the rain will do the remaining job. Okay. Just open a little that will take this. Place it. Cover it. I will be updating us on the progress on how the yam is going. Okay, open. Cover it. And remember, you don't have to allow it go deeper. Okay, so the yam must have access to it here. So like this, you open. Cover it here. If you have another method of planting yam in sack, please share your view in the comment section. I want to learn also. But for me, I think this is the best method. Place it there. Cover it. See? You open. Place it there. Cover it. So you must allow room for this root, this to shoot, this, so it can connect with sunlight, make use of photosynthesis. You know what that means for the yam. Goes like that. So we'll do the same thing in all of this and multiply. I will update us with progress on how the thing is going. See? See the whole of this? The whole of this to that end. I'll show you. This is how they are. This is how they are. See, the yam is already making progress. Yes, so that is what we'll do in all. So please share this video, like this video, let someone get to learn and know how to plant yam in South. Okay, thank you.